Yo, what up, YouTube? Your boy, Mr. Get in there, checking in on a quick little update. Back with the T-top header pounter. I know a lot of people need to do this to the cutties, and I said I'll try to keep y'all posted step by step, even if it's too many parts sessions to this one project. Want to still keep y'all in the loop. What we got here ain't gonna hold y'all too long. What we got here, YouTube? It's almost dry. A mop chassis saver down in the bottom. The bottom was good. It had no rust. Maybe just a little ash, maybe right here in this corner here somewhere. What I did, I just double protection. I just mopped the whole bottom with chassis saver, and this flange here, I grinded it down to the middle so I get good penetration for the spot welder. So the silver here all use is focus. That's still focus. The silver here is weld through primer. I got the can outside, I'll show y'all. And that's what you see maybe up in there. I tried to put a piece of cardboard there and spray it, but I really wasn't tripping up too much of the overspray. It can't hurt it. But that's what we got. Hold on, YouTube, let me fade back. Okay, YouTube, we faded back. Just the weld through primer I got. The last time I had some weld through primer, focus. Last time I had some weld through primers, I used it's on the tip of my tongue. That was some pretty good stuff. This one is okay. Get the job done. Kind of help with look corrosion protection. You know, and don't let, when you grind it down to the metal, won't let it flash rust on you. So this flange, I grinded this flange all the way down to the metal. I ground this flange all the way down to the metal, and I just taped it up. I didn't want prime everywhere, the weld through prime everywhere, so I had just painted this flange. I drilled me some holes so I could spot weld, because on this right here in this middle where the T-top piece at, I won't be able to get the spot welder right there. So once I get it all spot welded in with the spot welder gun, I come back and tack these places in. I think I got too many. I think I can get all of it about right here to right here. It's not that wide, but it's okay. A couple extra holes ain't gonna hurt. I just spot weld those, but I think I could get the gun all the way to right there. So like I say, the gun, I can get the gun all the way to it. The gun come over it, squeeze the two metals together, melt them together. That's how I go. I do a little video on that. Might do a review on that Harbor Freight spot welder, because I think before I bought it, I didn't really see no videos going on YouTube. Yeah, I did. Well, I think it was the actual Harbor Freight review, actual Harbor Freight commercial or something like that there. But I'll do a review, maybe slide it in with this when I'm putting this header panel in tomorrow. A couple more holes right here. The reason why I did some holes right here, it got some thick metal, and that the spot welder gun I got is only could do, I think, 3/16. I wanted to make sure if the spot welder can't get it, if it's too thick, I can always use my MIG weld and zip it on right there. All the way across here, I'm good. Same thing on this side. I think I got too many holes on this side, but it's okay. It's all good. And what else? That's it, YouTube. I did the bottom side as well. Did the bottom side. It with a part number anybody needed. It's kind of hazeled up a little bit, but you can still see it though. Focus. There we go. It with a part number. It's on gbody parts. Some ain't got it cheaper though. Some ain't like $150. Gbody parts wanted like, I think we paid like $250 for this piece, man. Pretty expensive little piece, man. But fit pretty good for the sales aftermarket. I give it maybe a 9, maybe an 8 out of 10. You know, as far as with the fitment. So fit pretty good though. You know, some aftermarket stuff fit shitty, like to get fenders and got a gap in the fender in the the hood, and you gotta improvise and do a little banging to close in the gap and whatnot. But pretty cool little piece, fit pretty good. What else? Fade back in a second. All right, YouTube, faded back. I think that's it. Nothing else to really cover. Started grinding down. I was looking at something, thought I seen a little, I don't know, but anyway, I started grinding down these wheels a little bit. One thing at a time. Nice and strong. You hear that? Nice and strong. Got a sleeve in them from up here to about right there. Got a couple plug wheels all the way down the side. Plug wheels here, plug wheels on the back side. She's pretty solid. Pretty happy, pretty confident about how the whole T-top swap went. Next one to go a little more smoother. Probably still be same time consuming. Maybe I might be able to shave 4 or 5 hours off the time, but still same time consuming. Might not be more time consuming because on the next one I'm gonna change this 8-pillar on the next one. I'm not even gonna play with this 8-pillar on the next one I do. A couple guys been asking me about the swap, but you know how that go. I don't know if they serious, but I really ain't jumping up in joy to do another one. But I mean, I do it though. But it is what it is. What else? That's it though, YouTube. I'll fade back tomorrow, man. We're gonna get this puppy will be tacked in tomorrow, and we're gonna start on the suspension. Probably the day after, something like that. But that's your boy. I'm gonna get in there, fade it out.